How's it going today, everybody? Hopefully it's going great for you. Today is going to be a little different. I am taking a buddy out from work. He is a Pacific Islander, or also a Micronesian, and he's never actually been fishing, but he's never been lure fishing here in the States. So, I should say lure fishing in general. So that's what I'm going to do tonight, is try to help him out and see if we can't catch a few fish for him to eat, and hopefully have a good time while we're doing it. That's the biggest thing. Kind of just introduce him to a different world of fishing versus just, like night crawlers or cut bait. Something a little different for him. Well, alright, stay tuned. We'll see what happens. There you go, Nelson.
Wow.
Got one. Yep.
Oh, what is that?
Smallie.
That's the pot?
Yeah. Today is a harvest day. Trying to get some fish for Nelson to eat. That's who's fishing with me, so bear with me. I gotta measure this guy. Unfortunately, Nelson, he's too small. He's 11. Needs to be 12. Yeah, he's 11. He's like... Not quite. We can't keep him. Oh.
Why is he so dark skinned?
That's their natural color.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. Yeah, smallmouth. There you go.
Right over here, man.
Yep. Hey, he might be a keeper.
It's a big one.
Oh yeah, that's probably easy 12
Yeah.
inches. Oh yeah, he's easy, probably easy 12.
It's a good size, man. I thought it was sticking to the river, bottom of the river, and I was all kind of like, oh, what the fuck is that, man?
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that, he got right off.
Yeah, that's a good size, man.
I guarantee you he's at least 12. Oh yeah, we're good. He's 14.
14?
Yeah, he's 14.
That's a big one.
This is what we'll do, is put him on my stringer,
Yeah.
throw him back here.
I see. That's how you do it, huh? Man, I've never got one of those, man.
They're good. A lot of people don't like them, but they don't bother me none.
Why they don't like them, man?
I think it's because most people want to keep them for fishing tournaments. Yeah, this is what I normally do, early spring, late fall. Then during the summer I use my worms and cut bait and shrimp and... Yep. There's one, Nelson. Yep. Oh my God. That one's a tank. Oh yeah. That's the downside about them swallowing them like that. Let's see how big this one is. Just shy of 17.
17, man.
Yep.
That's what I said, man. It's like it's gonna be bigger than going like that.
Snagged up.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can get her out. Sometimes.
Tricks you got, huh?
Yeah, sometimes what's nice about these, they'll float up. Sometimes.
They float up, huh?
Yeah, sometimes they do.
If this really gets caught, that makes a problem, huh?
Yep. Got her.
Yeah, this one is good, man. This one is...
I'm used to it.
Yeah, man.
That's why I got these special shoes. They're my kayak shoes. If I gotta get out and walk, I can. There's one, Nelson. Yep, just a little guy. There you go, buddy. Hey, you didn't get skunked. But how many have you lost so far, though? I was going to say at least 2 or 3. Like right now until dark, and then like early morning, 7 to 9:30-ish. Yeah. There's one, Nelson. Yeah, mouth and the face. Yeah. No, I feel bad for you. I really do. He's 14.
I can tell, man. Ooh. I wish I catch like 10 of these, man.
You're only allowed 3 a day.
Huh?
You're only allowed 3 a day.
Yeah.
Oh shoot, there goes the stringer.
Like the other one too, right?
Yep. Oh, there you go. Still got him?
That big one. That big one. Yeah, baby.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah.
There's your first cast of that too. Oh.
First gone, huh? Ooh, those are it's very seal, huh?
Oh yeah.
Like 2 hooks at a time, man. I don't get away, man. First cast. Cast away.
There you go.
Yeah, man.
And what do you think he is in size? He's 13.
13, that's not too bad.
Nope, he's keepable. We're only allowed 2 more.
Oh, you're allowed 2 more?
Yep. You can have 3 and I can have 3.
Oh.
Feisty.
Wow, small.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, look at that. He even got off for you. Oh, y'all good?
I think so. It's pretty small, huh?
Oh yeah, he's small. He's like maybe 10. You know, a pretty guy. Grow bigger.
Go get your ass in.
Yep. I'm gonna tell you now, it's not like this all the time.
Yeah.
There's days you can come down here, you don't catch a single one.
Wow.
It's that time of the year where the water temperature's changing and they're moving into feed. Could be. It's your first time up here doing this stuff.
Yeah. So what's the biggest one you got?
Tonight?
Like
Oh, out of here?
yeah.
21 and a half.
21 and a half?
Just shy of 5 pounds.
That time?
Yeah.
Nice job, guys.
Thank you. Did you guys catch anything?
No, nothing.
Really?
Nothing. Yeah, what are you using? What is that?
Just a little crankbait.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I had a purple shad wrap, but no luck.
That's
Maybe I'm
crazy.
too far that way.
This spot is where you want to be at.
Like this hole right here?
Yep, right in here. So
Yeah.
up there, about from here up, you kind of want to throw like a soft plastic, like a swim bait,
Oh, yeah, okay.
or even like on a Ned rig and bounce it off the bottom. Because in
Yeah.
here it's about 12 foot. You'll get a lot of walleyes that come through
It's
here.
like way deep over there.
Yeah, and about where I'm at's about 5. And it
Okay.
dips down deeper, and then up there it's only about 3 or 4 foot by the wall.
I see.
But yeah, so if you're up in there, you kind of want to jig across the bottom because it's deeper and you can get walleye net out of there.
Good to know. Good to know.
Yep.
Yeah.
The more you know, it helps out.
Yeah, have a good night.
Yeah. You guys have a good weekend. Oh, did you get one, Nelson? Oh, it came off right there at the end.
I never used this back home. It's really nice, man.
I enjoy it.
Yeah. The first time I didn't use that. What?
There you go, Nelson. Caught it.
You're good, man.
Oh yeah, got her back.
You know, these are people back home, man. This fishing boat,
Yeah.
because our river is kind of like, it's kind of a tidal wave.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, what we're gonna do is just, we're gonna stay away from the, try to stay all the way up shore,
Yeah.
and then, you know, these can go all the way down there, and, you know,
So you got to walk out in the water to cast, or?
just got a piece of stick to go fishing, man. But we do that every day, and then it becomes like our habit, and we just catch any kind of like short stick to catch a big fish.
Yep.
Yeah, but you know how to do it, man. But not the beach, man. It's gonna be catching a lot of fish, man. I can walk from the ocean to the ocean about 45 minutes.
That's not bad at all. Holy cow.
From the ocean to the ocean, on the other side of the island,
Yep.
it's 45 minutes.
That's crazy. Alrighty, that's going to conclude today's episode. We're back down here again. I'm out here with Nelson. He hasn't really fished much here in the States. So I figured take him out after work, and that's what we're doing. He needs a few fish to eat, hence the reason why we are keeping the fish tonight. Otherwise, normally I throw them back. But alright, hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.